Have you used so far based on the guidelines, nagamit na ba or na-use ba ni mo tanan types of assessment?
Not all pa, because it depends upon our lesson. So as of this time, wala pa gid ako siya nagamit tanan. Kaning constructing graphs and flow charts dito pa man ni siya sa kuan dapit sa among further lessons na dayon, wala pa man karon.
Have you noticed na there are type of assessment that is somewhat favorite of your student? Like, you can see that if that kind of test is given to them, they will be happy. Like,
Most of our assessment is on kanang multiple choice. In fact, our pupils are trained sa multiple choice kay sa atong board exam, kasi sala mga exam di ba multiple choices. So naagi na pirmi ang multiple choice. Gakuan na sa sila anak. Muna po ilang gakuan na po.
so basically, they're used to multiple choice. And if
But
you see your
data
types,
ko uban pod na true or false, matching type.